In this video, we talk about an overview of cell. An overview of this cell. Here the each cell, here the cell, here the cell it contains the membrane bound nucleus. It contains the membrane bound nucleus. Here it is the cell which contains the membrane bound nucleus. Membrane bound nucleus. This cell which is called as eukaryotic cell because of the cell which has the membrane bound nucleus. So this cell is called a eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic, which means the nucleus is present in the cell. Here, whereas the nucleus, the membrane bound nucleus is absent in some cells, that is called the prokaryotic cell. Here it is the eukaryotic cell. Here it is the eukaryotic cell. Whereas the membrane bound nucleus is absent in some cells, that is called the prokaryotic cells. Membrane bound nucleus is absent in the prokaryotic cell. Here other than the nucleus, the total, here the semi-fluid structure, this is called cytoplasm. Here other than the nucleus, that cell has the semi-fluid structure, that is called cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, here the cytoplasm which is present in both eukaryotic cell as well as in prokaryotic cell. Here in the cytoplasm, more number of the cell organelles are there. Here in the eukaryotic cell, in the cytoplasm, more number of the membrane bound organelles that are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and here the plastids, microbodies, vacuoles, etc. These are the membrane bound organelles. These are the membrane bound cell organelles which are present in the eukaryotic cell. Whereas in prokaryotic cell, these membrane bound organelles are absent. Whereas in prokaryotic cell, the membrane bound organelles are absent. Here in the ribosomes, see here the ribosomes are also one of the cell organelle. Here these are present in both eukaryotic as well as in prokaryotic organisms. Here these ribosomes are the non-membrane bound organelle. Ribosomes are non-membrane bound organelle. Ribosomes are non-membrane bound organelle which are present in both the eukaryotic cell as well as in prokaryotic cell. Here these ribosomes not only present in the cell, not here these ribosomes are also present in the some organelles like mitochondria. Here mitochondria and here, and it is also present on the ER. Here the ribosomes are also present in the mitochondria and it is also present on the ER, endoplasmic reticulum. In the animal cells are the non-membrane bound organelle, that is a centrosome. Centrosome is which is present in the animal cell. Here it is the non-membrane bound organelle which is present in the animal cell, which is used in the cell division, process. So, and we have to discuss some shapes of the some shapes are the cells. See the here the red blood cells. Here the red blood cells, human red blood cell, which is in a round shape, which is in a round and a bioconcave shape, bioconcave shape, bioconcave shape, round and bioconcave shape, and white blood cells is which is in a amoeboid shape, amoeboid shape. Here amoeboid shape, and it's some, see here the columnar cells, and here the epithelial, the columnar cells are also, these are the narrow cells, these are the narrow cells, narrow elongated cells, and here the nerve cells are the branched cells. Here is the branched cells. Nerve cells are the branched cells. Here the more number of the cells and their shapes are also there. And the smallest cell here, the smallest cell is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell, which is about 0.3 micrometers in length, whereas bacteria 3 to 5 micrometers, and here the biggest cell, here the largest cell is the, what is that, the egg cell of ostrich, and this is this is about an overview of the cell. This is about the overview of the cell.